All right, so in this video, we're going to take a look at some interactive simulations that can get plugged into Canvas. So I'm starting with a website here from University of Colorado, and the address is phet.colorado.edu. And this is a website that has a lot of interactive simulations, mostly for math and science. And a lot of these are pretty good, pretty fun, and engaging. And they also, for the most part, have an embed code, which will allow you to add them to your Canvas course, pretty much just like you would add a video. Okay, so to find these, you're going to go to that website and click on the Simulations button. And then here on the left, you have the different subject areas that you can check out. So let's go ahead and look at, for example, physics. And it'll give you just a sort of long list of different activities, different simulations that you can try out. So one thing you have to be careful, though, of is the symbol on the bottom right of each of these activities. They're actually in different formats, and not all the formats work with Canvas, okay? So just to go through the different format options, you have a 5 symbol here. That's for HTML5. And these are great. They work in Canvas just fine. So anything that has the 5 symbol for HTML5 will be just fine embedding in Canvas. The alternative that does not embed is Java. Okay, and so that's the icon with the little coffee cup and the steam coming out right there. You're not going to be able to embed that in Canvas, okay? So don't bother with any of those. There's also one more type which is fine, and that's Flash. So that's the F symbol right here on the bottom right. Flash plays fine in Canvas as well, at least on Chromebooks from my experience. So let's go ahead and pick out one that we want to practice with. We'll do buoyancy here. And you have the option of playing it to start and just kind of preview it and see what it's like. So click on the play button. That will load the interactive, and you can see if you think that's useful for your class, for your course. If you like it, click back. And then you have the embed button down here. So you want to click that embed button. It brings up a line of HTML to copy. It's right here. It says embed a running copy of the simulation. So I'm going to grab that, Control C, copy it. And that's what I need to put into Canvas. So back in Canvas, you can put this simulation anywhere you want. It could be part of a quiz. It could be prompt to a discussion. It could be part of an assignment, whatever you want. In this case, I just made a discussion. So I'm going to go into edit mode in Canvas, and then we'll find a place to put it. So I've got some text in my discussion. I could add other things, pictures, videos, whatever. And then where I want to put my simulation, I'm just going to place my cursor. And I'm going to go up to this insert menu, insert, edit video. This is what allows us to embed videos, but like I said, the same code works for these simulations. So it'll work just like if you were putting in a YouTube video embed. Click the insert edit video option, and you have this second tab over called embed, and you just paste that code in from the colorado.edu site. Looks the same. I hit OK. And then you'll see the blue rectangle here, which means Canvas is trying to bring something in. And that looks good. So go ahead and click Save to see how it looks. And here we go. So it's in my Canvas discussion now. It works just fine. A little buoyancy activity, pretty cool. If you wanted to move this around, you can do that by going into edit mode, because it's really just a rectangle when you're in edit mode. So you can click on this, you can make it smaller if you drag the corners down a little bit. You can delete it, Control Z, undo, delete. If you want to do that, you can drag it and move it below a paragraph, before a paragraph, whatever you want. And that's about it. So again, the website address was phet.colorado.edu. That's phet.colorado.edu. Lots of science simulations, some math simulations as well. You can search by content area, you can search by grade level. And then just again, make sure when you are searching for these, you want to focus on the ones that are HTML5 compatible, that's the 5 symbol here, or those that are Flash, and that's the F symbol. And that's it.